In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Cloudways cPanel. First, let's clear up the biggest point of confusion right away. If you've been trying to find a Cloudways cPanel login, the reason you haven't found one is simple. Cloudways does not use cPanel. Instead, it uses its own custom hosting dashboard. That's actually a good thing because the platform is designed to be cleaner, faster, and easier to manage than the traditional cPanel layout many people are used to on shared hosting. So rather than looking for a separate cPanel page or a special login port, you'll begin by going directly to the Cloudways platform in your web browser. From there, sign in using your account email and password, or use a linked login option if that's already set up on your account. Once you're in, you'll arrive at the main Cloudways dashboard, which is your central control area for everything related to your hosting environment. Now, this is where Cloudways works differently from cPanel. Instead of putting every tool onto one crowded screen, the dashboard is split into two main areas: server management and application management. Understanding this structure is the key to navigating Cloudways confidently. If you want to manage settings that affect the whole server, go to the servers section in the top navigation and select the server you want to work with. Inside that area, you'll find important tools like your master SSH and SFTP credentials, firewall controls, PHP and package settings, and real-time server monitoring. Think of this as the place for global server-level configuration. If you need to manage a specific website, switch to the Applications section and open the application you want. This is the area that acts most like a modern replacement for the old cPanel experience. From here, you can handle settings that apply only to that individual site. To work with your database, open the Database Management section inside the application panel. Cloudways provides an integrated database manager, so you can review tables, make edits, and run queries without dealing with a bulky separate interface. For file access, go to Access Details within the same application menu. There, you'll find the application credentials you need to connect through an SFTP client such as FileZilla or CyberDuck. That's how you'll upload files, edit directories, or manage themes and plugins securely. Before you finish, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct server and application. Check that the public IP and SSL status look correct, and make sure everything appears active and properly organized. Once you understand that Cloudways replaces cPanel with its own dashboard, the whole platform becomes much easier to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.